All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this fender over here. I'm also sick, so we're gonna see how many times I can blow my nose today, so let's do it. I'm just measuring out this panel because I'm gonna start with the fender. This hood right here, so the customer brought their vehicle in like this. It had some paint repair or something, and it was sanded down enough prior to coming here where it's not going to show through. It's just kind of unsightly now, but once it's all wrapped and finished up, then you won't really be able to tell. Just knocking out this door here, just getting it glassed so I can go nice and clean over all these body lines and then squeegee it all out. All right, we got the door and the fender knocked out. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this hood out now. It's like a drop of green instead of drop of blue. That's a very
maybe
true.
More green than, I think it has more green than the Battleship Gray has blue.
Yeah. Both of them, they look soft to the touch, don't they though? Like if you look at it, it looks like it'd be like soft.
Yep.
All right guys, so I got the hood all knocked out. As you can see, it looks a lot better than it did before. That about finishes up for today. I'm gonna go home and chug some NyQuil, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.